You know what the universe will do? Let me tell you. And you probably heard this before, but let me try and explain it to you a little bit more better. The universe is so kind and they love you so much that want something, if you want something, they will give it to you. So if you say, "Oh, I'm dating," the universe will create an experience for you to be dating. So, in order to be dating, it's an ongoing process. So, the universe will continuously send you people that are not long-term commitment for you because you're dating. And the universe is so genius that it will use your request to teach you a lesson. Let's say you say you're dating, but you want to be married, right? But you keep saying you're dating. So the universe will continue to send you people so that you can date. And it will be people that come into your life to really make you question on whether or not it is something that you want to be doing, dating, right? But again, you want to be married, but you're saying something that is in contrary to what it is that you actually truly desire. You're saying, "I'm dating," when you really want marriage. You want to be in the state of married. The universe knows this. The universe knows this. So what the universe will do is use that request you just made, that dating, to make you change your mind, to put you in the solitude energy that you would need to be in order to be in an exclusive connection where you would have to maintain that type of solitude for marriage. And the way that it encourages you to pull your energy back from all of these people and to do this is by continuously sending you people who hurt you in a way that you are encouraged or motivated to make that change. And then on top of that, the universe is so complex in its dealings that these people will be the same type of people, but just maybe a little different. Every, maybe a quirk off, or maybe this person likes this and not that, but the core and the essence of their energy will be exactly the same. And this repetitive energy will be an irritant to a part of you that needs to die in order to have what the universe knows you truly desire, which is marriage. So you're able to get what you ask for, which is dating, and at the same time prepare for what it is that you really want, which is marriage. And while the process is happening, the universe is changing your mind from the state of "I'm dating" to I'm married. And once you can feel the energy of what it is that you truly desire, then this other law kicks in and it pulls this person right to you. So when they say trust the process, baby, trust the process. Do what you feel is good for you, and it will work itself out as long as you are continuing to take the steps. Trust the process. Walk the path fearlessly, because I just explained to you how the universe has your back.